For the students who are qualified to take this scholarship, they are at the age of 12 to 15 years old. And they should be currently grade 6 students, and they should be enrolled in high school or grade 7. And then, during the exam also, they are to prepare their grades or after, for example, the students who are giving the examination, we try to get their grades already, just to see if they can persevere. But at least we know whom we are going to help. But at the end, during the acceptance, their grade should be 80%.
What subject area?
General. And then they have to present their certificate from that are wonderful. And then the parents should have at least 5,000 less. I think this is really those who are really family. And then one of our criteria also, qualifications that they learn, driving sisters or studying because our foundation has that we have only one member family and one member and so also in our part we can have and then during the examination, parents should be there because the interview will not only be with the child but also with the parents. And then pwede naman po. Pati yung interest niya kasi minsan kahit pagkakapromotion siya, di ba? Hanapin niya kasi pag-orphan parang teacher, they can do everything. And then there's we'll see, just to have our fantastic exam, we will interview, and then we are going to receive the call. For that day, we're going to give the examination.